Picture this, a beverage bottling plant running at full speed. Suddenly, chaos erupts, the final packaging conveyor just keeps going, even after the system is told to stop. Boxes are piling up, bottles smashed to the ground, and the shutdown button on the HMI? Totally useless. The operator calls in maintenance. The technician rushes over, reboots the PLC, nothing changes. The only way to stop the madness is to cut power to the entire conveyor line. When the automation engineer arrives, she heads straight for the PLC program. And there it is, an infinite loop. One missing condition in the stop rung. Now, the logic just keeps re-triggering itself. The motor output is latched, but there's no break in the condition. Basically, the program is telling the conveyor, never stop unless someone pulls the plug. She rewrites the rung, adds a proper stop condition using a normally closed input from the stop button. Plus, a fail-safe, if no new bottles arrive in 10 seconds, the conveyor shuts down on its own. Once the code is reloaded, the line runs smoothly, no crashes, no chaos. Problem solved, all by fixing a logic loop that nearly crashed the whole shift. Here's the lesson, always build in proper stop conditions. And always simulate your output logic before you run a real machine. Because in automation, one endless loop can lead to endless problems. Want more real-life PLC stories? Subscribe to Logic Tales, where automation meets storytelling.